Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a new calendar on your Google Calendar. So once you're inside Google Calendar, guys, if you look down to the left hand side here, you'll find some calendars here under my calendar, and you can create one of your choice. So to create this, you want to simply click the settings gear on the upper right hand side. That's going to take you into the settings menu. Click on settings, and if you look down towards the left hand side here, you'll find add calendar. You click on that little drop down here, and you'll have the option to create a new calendar. So once you do that, you can go ahead and you can give this a name. So let's say I call this one Drew tutorial, guys. I'm going to call it that, and you can give it a description. I'm going to just put the name the same as well. You can choose a time zone. It's really up to you, and just simply click on create. Now once you create that calendar, guys, it will be on the left hand side in your calendar. So if you just simply go back from the settings, if you scroll down, you will have the calendar here. So in order to go into more settings from this calendar, just simply go ahead and go back to the settings here on the upper left right hand side, click on settings, and from here you want to go ahead and click on that specific calendar. Once you click on it, you'll have all of those different settings for your calendar that you can go through and you can play around with. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.